Pisces, welcome to the channel. This is going to be a reading for the next 3 days. All that I need to know about your soulmate situation, and this is going to be for Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, North Node. However, it may or may not resonate, but take what resonates and leave the rest. Okay, so let's start. So, what's your overall energy going to be like, Pisces, for the next couple of days? With King of Pentacles, I see you being a lot stable. Also, financially, things are looking good for you. Okay, I feel you're not so worried about anything from the past. You're more focused on the present. Okay, with Three of Cups, I also see you enjoying your life, not really that depressed or that messed up. Okay, with King of Swords, being practical or staying practical has helped you a lot. Okay, in terms of what's coming your way. What's coming your way. So I believe you are a part of a connection that is not going towards commitment for whatever reason. However, there's a lot of passion here. There's a lot of reciprocity here. But when it comes to meeting them and having a commitment, it never happens. Okay. Top card we have is Queen of Pentacles. So this person does consider you a soulmate. They do care a lot about you, but for some reason they could not offer you commitment. Okay, in terms of what to expect. With Five of Wands, I believe for some of you, they could have put you through a third party situation as well. They were a lot silent. They were not wanting to tell you what's happening with them. There was no closure. This person also brought in a lot of drama in your life, and still you're not that affected. Good for you, darling. With Page of Wands, this person will message you. However, they won't come in clean. They'll try to get your attention. They'll try to get a reaction out of you. So that's how they'll want to get your attention. Okay, they'll do something to trigger you, or post a picture maybe. Okay, but definitely they've been working hard to get your attention. Okay, some of you guys will get communication. Okay, in terms of their energy towards you. With the Queen of Pentacles, King of Pentacles. So this is definitely your soulmate, regardless of whatever situation you guys have right now. This person is your soulmate. Okay, they do care a lot about you. They still think of you. There's a lot of respect as well. I do not know if this person shows you that or not. But with Page of Cups, not just attachment, I also see emotions. But the problem could be that for selected few of you, there could be some age difference, either on your end or their end, and it's bit of sometimes they tend to act childish. Okay. Bottom card we have is Eight of Wands. So selected few of you guys are already in communication. If not, you guys will be. Okay. In terms of how do they think about you now? With Three of Cups, this person definitely wants to reunite with you, or definitely wants to come forward. They do want to spend time with you, but not just through communication calls, in person. Okay, like on a date, maybe go out on like on a dinner or something. Okay. In terms of their intentions towards you. In terms of intentions, this person will try hard to get your attention. This person isn't going to give up on you. They do want your attention, and they will try to get it howsoever. Okay. One more card in terms of their feelings. Seven of Swords. This person doesn't really express their feelings much. They try to run away from their own feelings. Okay. Bottom card as well with Six of Wands. It felt like they were trying to take everything that you were giving them, but they were not returning it back to you. Like, if you were the one who was holding this connection together, they took the benefit, or it looked like that, even if they were not having any intentions as such. But they always came off deceptive. They were not very much honest as to what they felt, what they wanted. Selected few of you, they might have had another relationship behind your back as well. Okay, selected few of you that this person already has another kid with someone. Not all, but some of you. Okay, one more card. In terms of their heart space, how do they feel for Pisces? with Seven of Pentacles, they bring in a lot of stagnancy. Whenever you ask them about their feelings, their intentions, they don't take that action. They want things to be very casual, but as soon as you start asking those questions, and they go all silent. Okay, in terms of their headspace. Space death card. So for selected few of you, this connection had ended in the past. Okay, you guys could not come to a conclusion as to where this is going. There was no decision coming out of it, so many of you guys could have dropped it. But right now, this person wants to revisit those that phase again with you. Okay, how are they going to come forward with prices now? How are the person going to come forward towards prices? See, to be very honest, this person will still bring in confusion and chaos in your life. Okay, what can you expect from this individual now? With Queen of Swords, I do not see this person expressing their feelings much. Okay, this person is going to try to mask off their feelings. Okay, with Nine of Swords, I also see them trying to bring in some drama in your life. I do not know what exactly, but whatsoever they have to share is going to give you anxiety. Okay, so what exactly are they hiding from you? What exactly are they hiding from Pisces? Ace of Wands, please clarify. Selected few of you, this person already had someone in the past. They did not tell you about. This was a hidden connection for some of you. With Temperance card, some of you they were double dating. Okay, not all of you will relate. Some of you, yes, they were trying to keep options around, and not just keep options, but also have a connection side by side. Okay, so now what's going to come out of that connection? With the Tower card, I do see a fallout. Okay, a fallout is possible. However, how are they? What exactly are they wanting with you now? See, to be very honest, some of you, this person only wants a sexual connection, which doesn't lead to a commitment. I'm sorry this came off a little triggering, but my messages are very straightforward. I don't try to sugarcoat. This person only wants to have a situation with you. This person isn't ready to have a commitment as of now. This is going to relate for the next 3 to 7 days. It won't relate post that. Okay, but the problem is this person isn't ready to offer you that commitment yet. Okay, I started off with Four of Wands in the reverse, which spoke about no commitment. For now, where do we see things going between the two of you? With King of Cups, however, there is love, but the problem is if this person does not take that step forward, things are not going to look good. If the person isn't willing to let go of the third party, nothing can come out of this. So this person still wants you, but mind you, on their own terms. They get a lot from you in terms of you have lots to offer. So they're not wanting to lose that. Yes, they have feelings, no doubt, but they also benefit a lot from you, and you know it. Okay, so one kind of advice for Pisces. Lovers, so you have to make a decision, darling. Okay, you have to decide as to what is good and bad for you. If this connection is something that you want to walk away from, then please do walk away. Okay, for Pisces single, what do we see coming? Single Pisces, I believe you guys are going through some heartbreak. You guys are not over the past yet for whatever reason. In terms of finances, what do you see coming for Pisces? Finances, things are going to look excellent in a couple of days. Okay, you will benefit a lot from whatever you guys were investing in. If it doesn't happen by July or mid July, then it's going to happen by early August. Okay, with Page of Wands, I see you being very passionate about whatever you're doing and you're working in the right direction. Top card we have is the High Priestess. Use your intuition. Whatever intuition is guiding you towards, do that. Okay, choose to listen to your intuition. One last card for your overall energy. the universe, world card. So a cycle in your life will end for a new cycle to begin. Okay, whatever endings you're going through, it's going to be something that's going to help you in the long run. So it's going to be a blessing in disguise. Okay, so in terms of your love messages, my life is empty without you. One message. Second message from your person. I wasn't serious in the past, but now I know your worth. They are not still serious, darling, to be honest. And now, bottom card is we'll put you into a third party. Okay, so yes, some of you, this person stays awake thinking about you. Okay, and right now your silence is kind of killing them. Your silence is killing me. So yes, this is all I have for you for Pisces. If it resonated, kindly hit the like button, support the channel, follow the channel, and if you want a personal reading, please do reach out on my website and book one for yourself. Thank you so much for coming in, and I hope you guys have a great week ahead. Cheers.